Nine of Swords. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. And the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. As far as your message here, I'm channeling here, actually, you have been waiting for a communication or a reconciliation from someone na biglaan. Yung parang very abrupt. Sobrang bilis, sobrang nagmamadali si universe na pag-iwalayin kayo. So, you're questioning your guides, bakit nangyari sa akin to? Bakit kailangan ko tong pagdaanan? Anong kasalanan ko sa kanya? Binigay ko naman ang lahat. Bakit ako yung nagdudusa?